Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best Wi-Fi routers for gaming in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Netgear Nighthawk Smart Wi-Fi Router. The next up is another dual-band router. Although, the offer is from none other than the famous Netgear. For those who don't know, the company is known for creating a plethora of top-of-the-line wireless routers that have become increasingly famous over time. Netgear is a company that has dedicated itself towards providing top-of-the-line, unparalleled networking hardware, including their brilliant wireless routers. The product that we are bringing you today is called the Netgear Nighthawk R7000. As the name suggests, the router looks nothing less of a stealth fighter jet. The Nighthawk R7000 is AC1900, with 1300 megabits per second speed in the 5 GHz band and 600 megabits per second speed on the 2.4 GHz band. I like R7000 more than R8000 because it's affordable and much easier to install. During our testing, it became apparent that the R7000 may be the best Netgear wireless router we have used till date. Curious yet? Let's find out. Number 2. Our second best pick is Google Wi-Fi, best range covering Wi-Fi system. The Google Wi-Fi is unlike any router you may have seen before. In fact, it would be wrong to call it a router. It's a Wi-Fi system and possibly the best one in the market today. In this comprehensive review, we will cover all the major features of this unique Wi-Fi system and provide an in-depth understanding of how the 3 Google Wi-Fi units function together to provide superior wireless connectivity. While most routers can be an eyesore, the Google Wi-Fi with its understated design is ideally suited to any environment. All 3 units of the Google Wi-Fi system are identical to each other. With a diameter of 4.1 inches and a height of 2.7 inches, it's relatively tiny to that of traditional routers. The white body of the router is divided by an unobtrusive LED light which lends a touch of elegance to the design. Overall, the design deserves high praise and will be well suited to modern homes. Pros. The performance on all the Wi-Fi bands is impressive. The subtle and compact design fits anywhere in your home. Other than managing and setting up the network, the proprietary app provides nifty features like controlling your smart home. It's a lot lower priced than other Wi-Fi systems. Cons. You need to stay logged into a Google account when using this Wi-Fi system. Number 3. Our third best pick is Asus RTAC88U, the gamer's choice. Most of the computer enthusiasts or users know of the company Asus because of their top-of-the-line laptops for gaming. However, Asus is also at the helm for creating several high-ends, top-of-the-line routers. The device we are talking about is the RTAC88U. This router costs under $300, and it happens to be one of the best wireless routers someone can buy right now. The wireless router offers a stylish, sleek look. If someone has used an Asus product in the past, they will find this design familiar. The router is aesthetically pleasing with its complete black construction with red accents along the antennas. It looks straight out of a gaming lineup by Asus and could easily complement your other gaming peripherals. The RTAC88U is an AC3100 router which comes with a total of 8 gigabit LAN ports. Do keep in mind though that these ports are capable of delivering high-speed internet without suffering from any performance issues. Also, don't forget that it is a dual-band router that can act as a NAS as well. With that said, Asus has paid a significant amount of attention to detail even when designing the web interface, as it happens to be super intuitive and easy to use. The Wi-Fi performance of the router on both 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz bands stayed faster than ever without any performance decreases. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Netgear Nighthawk X10, expensive yet powerful. The Netgear Nighthawk X10 AD7200 Smart Wi-Fi router is for those looking to have the best VR gaming and 4K video streaming experience. It doesn't come cheap though. This behemoth of a router will make your pockets lighter by over $400. In all fairness, this router does offer an awful lot for the price. In addition to supporting 3 Wi-Fi bands, 2.4 GHz, 5.0 GHz, and 60 GHz, it has 7 gigabit Ethernet ports, 6 LAN, 1 WAN, along with a 10 gigabit SPF plus LAN port. On top of that, it features multi-user multiple input, multiple output data streaming, and 160 MHz Wi-Fi technology, which doubles the Wi-Fi speeds to mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we will explore all these stellar features and find out whether the Nighthawk X10's high price is justified. With dimensions of 8.81 x 661 by 2.91 in, this is not a small router by any means. In fact, it weighs more than a 15-inch MacBook Pro. However, that is not exactly an apple-to-apple comparison. Putting it against the TP-Link Talon AD7200, we can say that the Nighthawk X10 looks a lot less imposing in comparison. Regarding design, the Nighthawk X10 doesn't try to be gaudy or in your face. The 4 external antennas feature an interesting stitched pattern of blue LEDs along the side. We feel that it ups the cool factor, although your mileage may vary. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Linksys WRT1900AC, Best DDWRT Wi-Fi Router. The next up on our list is a dual-band wireless router from Linksys. This router comes with the support for the AC1900 standard support. That means the 5 GHz band has a speed of 1300 MHz and the 2.5 GHz band has a speed of 600 MHz. But is this router capable enough of holding against most of the top-tier routers that we have already listed? Let's find out. As soon as you set your eyes on this router, you will remember the classic design and color scheme that has been gracing the routers from Linksys for quite some time. If you are thinking about putting this router on a work desk, you may have to clear some space, as this is probably one of the largest routers we have seen in a while. The router has 4 antennas and the firmware it ships with can be replaced by a completely custom firmware from a user. As soon as you take the router out of the box, you will experience that the router happens to be one of the fastest routers available in the market. It's easy to set up and loaded with features. Linksys was also kind enough to add a full capability of doubling up this router as a NAS. However, that's not the greatest thing about this device. The best thing about this router is that the NAS performance is unsurpassed when compared to all the other wireless routers we have been testing. Not to mention that it also supports UPnP, Universal Plug and Play, and DLNA. Last, the performance on both bands is incredible. This router performs without any hiccups. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.